Hello guys, I cannot thank you enough for your excellent response to my last 4 videos. Really feels good to read all your comments and glad to help you guys on your thoughts and questions. So in this video I will be going through the service bill of my Honda Brio, which was due for periodic maintenance on March. And if you want to know a quick history of my car, please watch my previous videos. My Odo was reading 29,620 when I gave the car for service. Previous owner had maintained the car on yearly basis as they hadn't driven the car much, and 25,000 kilometers in 10 years is the run rate of the car, and post which I bought the car in 2022. And as for now, I clocked 5,000 kilometers in 10 months. As you all know, the kilometers run on my car is 29,620 and so is taken in as 30,000 kilometer paid service. So the labor cost is rupees 1,970 and parts cost is 2,570, which contributes to a total of 4,541, and where the parts cost includes synthetic oil 2.0 100 ml, engine oil filter replacement and drain washer plug replacement as well. So you can also see this breakup on Honda's official website under the periodic maintenance cost tab, and you can also compare it with the actual bill. So 4,541 is the actual periodic cost for Brio, and rest of all you pay is either demanded by you or suggested by them. The labor cost of 1970 includes checking the front and rear brake pads, and checking and topping up of the transmission oil, cleaning air filters, rotation of tires, replacement of engine oil, and replacement of the engine oil filter as well. The breakup for 2,570 includes 2,349 for the engine oil, 36 rupees for the washer plug, and 179 for the engine oil filter. And the value added services are the suggested or demanded ones, and they suggested me to clean the AC vents, and I also nodded my head for the same, and which includes the disinfectant as well. The battery testing for rupees 48, and I had this handbrake issue since quite a few months, and I asked them to check that as well. And I also asked them to clean the headlight and tail light for rupees 885, which I was very satisfied about. I am not sure about what is motor care treatment is, which they had included for rupees 688, and they told that there is a bush missing on one of the right side doors, which costed me around 34 rupees, and they replaced this wiper tank cap for 54 and the inner fender for rupees 82. Again, this is a value added service which they asked to me for the wheel balancing and wheel alignment, which costed me a total of around 1,500. Windscreen fluid for rupees 55. The wheel balancing and weight balancing is the additional value added services. Apart from this, there were few minor recommendations that are to be done in the car, which they required the car to be in their workshop for 2 to 3 days, and obviously I didn't have time, and I said I will bring it back next time. And this is the post service video of the car where the cleaner is doing his final touch, and everything was neat and everything was organized. And I gave at around 9 a.m. in the morning, and I got the car at 5 p.m. in the evening. And this is the before and after pictures of the headlight, and they costed me around 900 rupees for this cleaning, and I was pretty much satisfied by this. So the total cost for parts alone is rupees 2,946, which includes right from the engine oil filter, washer, etc. Total labor amount is around 5,892. Grand total is 8,837, which includes everything like value added services. That's pretty much, and I hope everything was quite clear. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please keep subscribing to my channel for more such videos, and once again thank you for making my last videos a big hit. Please make this video a big hit as well. Thank you.